To enter, compile and run our code, first we will open a file with proper name. So for that one, first we will click the file menu, and when file menu is clicked, drop down menu appears. From this list we select the new. Then a file with .cpp extension gets open. As we are learning the C programming, so first we will save this file by clicking again the file menu, and from the drop down menu save as, and in the open window we write the name of the file that we want to write. So EXP1A.c, this is the name of the file, and then we click the OK. So a file with experiment1a.c gets open. In this open file we will enter our code. So as usual, first we will enter two header files using the hash include directive. So hash include, then within less than or greater than sign we write the name of the header file. So first header file stdio.h. Similarly we include the another header file by writing hash include, then again within less than or greater than sign we write conio.h. So using these two statements we enter two header files. These two header files we generally enters because the function that we are going to use in our program are defined and declared in these two files. Now we write the name of the function int main, then open and close parenthesis, then within open and close brace we write our code. So first initially we have to declare the variables that we are going to use in our program. So as we have to take the two numbers, integer numbers to be multiplied, and then store their sum as well as multiplication. So according to this one we have to declare the four variables by using the statement int a comma b comma sum comma mul. So four integer type variables are declared: a, b, sum and mul. Then we, after declaration of the variable, we write clear screen statement, CLR, SCR, open and close parenthesis, then semicolon. We write this statement as we want to clear up anything if previously written on the output screen. Then we assign the first number to the variable a by writing a statement like this: a equal to 34 semicolon. Similarly, second number is assigned to variable b by writing a statement b equal to 73. Then third statement is written like sum equals a plus b, b semicolon, and next instruction we write mul equals a into b. semicolon. So using these two instruction, sum a plus b, add the value of a and b, and what is addition, that is assigned to the left side variable sum. In a similar way, value of a and b gets multiplied and their multiplication is assigned to the left side variable mul. Then we have to display the sum and mul. So for that one we write the printf statement, printf, then within open and close parenthesis we write according to the syntax of printf statement in double quotation marks we have to print the sum of two number equals, we write this one, sum of 34 and 73 equals, and here we write the format specifier %d, and after quotation marks we write the value of name of the variable whose value we want to print at this point. So what is the value of sum gets printed at the format specifier at %d. Then at the last we put the semicolon. In a similar way, another statement we write print f, and again within double quotation marks we write multiplication of of 34 and 73 equals. Then we have here to write the value of the mul. So we have to write the format specifier %d. Then after quotation marks, comma, and then name of the variable whose value is to be printed, so mul. And after close parenthesis, we put the semicolon. So using these two print statement, we print sum of 34 and 73. So what is the value of sum that gets printed at the point of %d format specifier. Similarly, next statement prints multiplication of 34 and 73. What is the value of mul that gets printed at the format specifier %d. Then next statement we generally write get ch. This is get ch. We write this statement to hold the output screen where output is displayed. Then last statement we write return 0. This statement tells the operating system that everything is okay, that program is executed properly. Now after entering our code, first thing is that we have to save the code. So for that one, again we click the file menu and then save option from the drop down menu. Now before running the program, we will try to compile the program to see that if there is any bug in the program. So to compile, we click the compile menu and from the drop down menu compile option. So in the compiling window, warning is 0 and error are also 0. And before warning we see that line compiled equal to 470. We are entering only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 to 16 statements. But line compiled shown here is 470. These lines are due to two header file included, standard input output.h and conio.h header file. So no error, no warning. Now let us compile this program by clicking the run menu, and from drop down menu run is clicked. When run is clicked, sum of 34 and 73 equals 107. Multiplication of 34 and 73 is 2482. These two output is displayed in the same result. Now we want that output should be displayed in two rows. So for that one, if we put after format specifier %d in the first printf statement /n called new line character. So when this is put, so after displaying the value of sum at the place of format specifier %d /n, bring the cursor in the beginning of the new line where multiplication of 34 and 73 is going to be printed. So first save this file again, file, save, and then let us compile. Then no error and no warning is there. So we can run the program, and when we run the program like this one, we get the output. Sum of 34 and 73 equals 107. Multiplication of 34 and 73 equals 2482. So in this way, now this is the output screen displayed. Now to go to the coding screen, we have to press the enter key. So when enter key is pressed, suppose there is a message like as shown in the window as a warning, experiment1.c, date time of the disk file has changed, reload from disk, yes, we have to print the yes. So we have discussed in this program how to enter our code in a file, then compile that and run that one. So in this way we can enter our code in a particular or proper file name, compile them and run them. Now again see that in this program, if we enter some bug, for example, suppose here we are forgetting to semicolon after a plus b. Then when we compile this program by clicking compile and compile, then if there is any bug in the program, that is displayed in the window, and when window is clicked here, so at what line we are making a mistake, that is displayed here. So error experiment1a.c 11. So this is a 11th statement. In 11th statement, statement missing semicolon. So means error is displayed. What type of error we are making, that is displayed. So we correct that error. So after a plus b we enter semicolon, then error is removed. Now we can compile this one, compile, then error is removed. Now we can run the program. So we get the output on the output screen. This output screen is held by the getCS function. When we press the enter key, we come to the coding screen. So in this way we can enter our code in a C file, compile them, and after compilation and removing any warning and errors, that can be run.